everyone, it's me Rhonda, also known as the Sparkly One. Today I'm showing you a sweet little Valentine's gift. All you'll need is some flowers, a jar, a few items that you might want to add. I have a heart that I created out of crochet. I'll link the tutorial right here in this little icon right there. Just click on that and it will show you the tutorial on how to make this. So if you know how to crochet, you can add this to the jar. I am actually going to turn it into a keychain, so I have a key ring, and other than that, all you'll need is your imagination, because you can do whatever you want. I just wanted to make a simple version so that would be quick and easy, because I know Valentine's Day is in a couple days. So don't panic, you can do this. Stay tuned, I'll show you how. I have this jar that I recycled from some peaches. And let's see, I got this really adorable ribbon. Can you see that? I got this at the Dollar Tree. It comes in a 9-foot spool, so you can make quite a few of the ribbons for the jars. And they also had this one which has XOXO on it. It's adorable. And they also had this one, which were some pink shiny hearts. You saw at the beginning of this video the little hearts that I crocheted. It takes about 20 minutes to make this if you know how to crochet, so it's not going to be a lengthy project. And there's a little twist to that too on how to stuff it, so you might want to check it out. So the first thing that you will need to do is to put your keychain together. I ordered this whole pack of keychains, but they come in 3 different pieces. So it comes with the keychain, the lobster claw clasp, and these little jump rings. And so you have to put it all together, which is fine. That whole bag, there's 100 in there, was I think it was $10, and it came in 24 hours. So if you jump on Amazon, you can get that. I'll put the link in the description below so you can see exactly which one I ordered. Pardon my glasses, but this is a very up-close craft. So I'm just taking the chain that's the key ring part, and I'm going to put this through the end. Then I'm just going to take my little heart and whatever end is open here. And then I'm going to get my other pair of pliers and I'm going to close this up. Actually, I could probably do it right here. You just grab that and squish it together. And it closes it right there. The next thing that you'll need to do is take this little lobster, the little lobster hook, and you just put it through the key ring. Just open it up and just slide it on. So see how easy that is? Look how cute, I love it. So whoever gets this is gonna really appreciate it, because I know all of us girls, at least most of us, like to hook things on our purse and they look adorable. So the first thing to do with the jar is to get your flowers, which I got at the Dollar Tree. And yeah, of course, I mean, how can you beat that? There's 6 of these for $1. So I'm just gonna cut off the stems and then throw that aside. And I am going to slide the price tag off, get that out of there, and I can put this back in here. Now you have an option, you can leave them with or without these leaves, so whatever you want to do. But I'm just going to drop these in here, and for Valentine's Day I am actually going to be putting real roses in here, and I wanted to show you what the Dollar Tree has as well. These are floral gel beads, and they're so pretty. Can you see them? So what I'm going to do, and this isn't going to be necessary for these fake ones, but when I have those really beautiful roses, I'm just going to dump some of these in there. When you add the gel beads, all you'll need are the gel beads. You don't need any water. That replaces the water. It's a little bit more costly, but it's so pretty. But if you don't want to do that, just fill it up with water and it'll be just as beautiful. And then when I have my real roses, I'll drop those in there. But look, already this is adorable. You can just put that in there and it looks so cute. So just kind of fluff your flowers around the way that you would like. Now with your ribbon, I already cut this, but this is a 24-inch piece of ribbon, okay? And then I'm just going to take it around the jar, and then I'm just going to tie this. Whoops. I'm going to tie it. So the easiest way for me to tie this is to make sure that I put my right side over the left side and I leave this side, the left side, a little bit longer. And then I tuck this under here, and this way this assures that when you tie it that the right side will be showing really nice and pretty. Then you just snug that up a little bit and you make a little loop, and then you take this loop right here and you just twist it so it goes underneath. It's a little awkward because I'm doing it sideways. You gotta make sure that you twist it just like this. Easier said than done. Twist it and just keep adjusting it until you like the way it looks. But it pretty much makes a pretty, like a perfect bow each time. So that was easy, right? Look how cute that is. So then all you'll need to do is take the keychain that you made, and then you can hook it onto the ribbon right in the middle. You have your special Valentine's gift. So I think that's so pretty, and when you have real roses or any sort of real flower in there, it's even going to be more beautiful. And don't forget to add a tag. So what I did is I took some craft paper and I just made it into a rectangle, folded that in half. I used a hole punch to punch the hole. I used sparkly pipe cleaners and I just put this through here, cut off a little piece like so, just like that, and then I twisted it right onto the keychain. So it has a cute little name tag in there for the person receiving it, saying Happy Valentine's Day to Mindy, love you Mom and Dad, and that's to my daughter Mindy. And then I have one that I did for my daughter Veronica, which was the second option, and this is really pretty too. All you'll need to do if you're going to use fake flowers is to use the shredded paper and put that in your jar, and then I put on the keychain. These are such adorable and sweet gifts for Valentine's Day, and who wouldn't want to receive one of those? So anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate your time, and I hope you have a and the next thing that you'll need to do is take this little that little lobster hook